Good morning. I'm in front of Lester's Deli in Montreal, and we're starting our Jewish food tour.
We're here at Lester's, where you never know what's going to happen next.
2 smoked meat places, 2 bagel factories, 2 pastry shops, and visiting a very unique diner.
Hey, we welcome you to Lester's Deli. We hope you're in Montreal, you'll drop by and visit our authentic deli here, established in 1951. Ask for me, I'm Billy Lester. I'd love to meet you personally.
So we are going to be getting the chocolate babka to go. We're going to
This is the best babka I've ever had, even better than New York. This is so good.
which unknowingly hit my heart between sweat and benzene, perfumes and silk. The bagel was created in 1683 by a Viennese baker who wanted to thank King Stanislaus of Poland for having saved them from Turkish invasions. King Stanislaus was an avid horseback rider, so the first bagel was in the form of a U, like a stirrup, not a horseshoe. And actually that makes sense because Bügel in German means stirrup. It wasn't until the 1700s that it was closed up into the ring that we know today. You might want to just squeeze in here, we have some pedestrians. And the owner of the rival bakery says that he believes it's because bakers got lazy and it was a lot easier to just do the ring than to do the U itself. So the bagel found its way to Montreal in 1919. It was first sold by St. Lawrence Bakery, which was across the street from Schwartz's. The bagel was smaller and harder than what we know today, and it used to be sold strung up by the dozen, which was the Russian way. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So it was actually considered one of our first street foods. There used to be a guy selling it out of carts, and it was also considered a staple of the Jewish community. So people like lived on bagels, like ate them 3 times a day. There's stories about them being teething rings for children, all of our babies, all kinds of different stories about bagels.
Actually, $1,000.
Yeah.
Not all day, one day, all day, 24 hours.
This is bagel number 2 from Fairmont.
The early 1900s, my grandparents came from Russia, and my grandfather already had a business here, a barbershop cigar store, in 1907, and it was downtown, right near with me. It is very good. I've never
That's so good.
The name changed to the Princess. This is actually where Houdini was punched in the stomach, and they were superstitious about that, so they lived in an area called the Golden Square Mile, which was really a square mile. Montrealers have adopted smoked meat as their own. So a lot of people don't know that smoked meat's even Jewish.